Picciotte e picciotti! Love to see you again! Che freddo! This is very cold, a very cold day here in Sicily. Gianca, come with me.
Hello everyone! Ciao Misty!
Ciao!
How are you guys? So we want to wish you the best Immaculate Conception Day ever. So guess where we are? You can see a beautiful castle behind us. This is the biggest castle in Sicily from the Norman period. About 1,000 years ago, Normans built the biggest fortress here in Sicily.
The unconquered castle.
Unconquered castle, yeah, it never been conquered by anyone. So this is a medieval village behind us.
One of my favorite because of course this is my hometown and so my heart is here in Caccamo, of course.
So that's Caccamo, that's Caccamo.
Sorry, I spoiled.
Rosella spoiled the surprise. But now we would like to drive into the narrow streets of Caccamo.
Yes, and reach the castle, of course.
Reach the castle, yeah, let's go.
How many degrees we have today?
Tieni, che io guido.
It's very cold here in Sicily. It's really winter time. Oh, better in the car. Oh,
Show the
very...
temperature. Show the temperature.
So, where is your... This is for you?
It's just 11 Celsius degrees, but for us it's cold.
And
So-
today in Sicily is feast, right, Gianca?
Yeah. Rosella, where are you? So today is the Immaculate Conception feast in Sicily, in Italy, in all the Catholic countries in the world. I do say, you know, the Immaculate Conception is a Catholic dogma. The Catholic Church states that the Virgin Mary has been free of the original sin from the moment of her conception, and so this is why they say the Immaculate Conception. And she was born in September, so her conception was in December 8th, and they say Virgin Mary was born in September, 9 months later. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the castle, guys. Can you see the castle?
Now we are going to reach the castle, of course, to show our friend. But if you have been following us for a while, of course you already know the castle. And today we enjoyed a beautiful, wonderful lunch with fresh and traditional food, Sicilian food.
So we are driving now in the main road. This is the Corso of Caccamo. There are such a beautiful narrow streets. Caccamo is completely made by stone.
Yes. It's one of the most authentic places that we still have in Sicily.
Faccio passare questa macchina. I let the car pass me.
Yes, because we are driving
Too slow.
Yes,
Too slow.
just to
That's
preserve
all.
the internet connection. We rest ourselves yesterday before after our virtual cooking class and Sicily lovers meeting, and we are going to publish a beautiful album about the events.
Oh, look at those lights. So nice.
And also the street is covered by
Cobblestone.
cobblestone, yeah.
Guys, this is the main road. Actually, it's a very narrow street. As you can see, cars have some issues to drive.
Please, Gianca, I would like to
yeah.
stop here.
Yeah.
Just to show this beautiful church.
Yeah. I park. No, we are. It's early.
Yes, it's just right the corner. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can.
yeah.
I can go, or do you want to go?
I go this way. I go this way.
But don't enter.
No. I know this road, Rosella, don't worry. Non ti preoccupare. Ok, se vuoi puoi scendere. Che mi costo meglio lì.
E vieni pure tu, risalgo in macchina. Yes. Inside there is a beautiful painting. Chiesa dell'Annunciata.
Annunziata Church. It's very old, from the 1600, so a typical Baroque church. Look at the facade. Io penso questo. Vai.
Can you hear the bells? Oh, this is perfect after my full lunch.
Don't fall. Don't fall, because you are on a live stream. Don't do any bad impression.
I'm still young, Gianca.
Do it again.
It's alright. Stop.
Go ahead. Rosella, what is this? What is that? Is this City Hall?
No, the City Hall. This is the old City Hall.
Dillo?
This is the old City Hall. Now the City Hall is just behind that corner. We will pass through the City Hall. And I would like to say that Caccamo is the town with the most quantity of churches.
The large number of
the
churches.
Large number of churches. 33 churches here in Caccamo. More churches than people, I can say.
How many people live in Caccamo?
6,000.
Only 6,000
Yes.
people?
But a lot of the young generation, don't live here anymore, the most of them. So I think that there are less people than 6,000.
Ok, tieni,
Ok.
che io prendo la macchina.
Uh-huh. I wait for you here, Gianca. Caccamo is a very quiet village, and look at that beautiful stair. Of course, here in Caccamo you can do a lot of exercise, and so you can be slim. Here I am.
Here we go.
Okay, let's go to have a quickly stop to visit the Mother
Sta
Church.
inquadrando.
Là a sinistra. This is the city hall. It's a modern city hall. The other one is the old one. And now we are going to see the Mother Church. Built just behind the castle.
Yeah.
And there is a beautiful staircase.
By stone.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Better I stop here. Oh, it's raining.
Oh, it's raining. We can stay here and show from here this beautiful place. I wait for the car.
Aspetta, ti do l'ombrello.
Just okay. Do you have an umbrella?
Yeah.
For me?
Aspetta,
Oh,
ti vengo a prendere.
yeah. Guys, it's raining.
Buon appetito.
Also in Sicily is winter time. I love the summertime and the springtime. I hate the winter time, to be honest. Oh, thank you, Gianca.
Dove vai?
Here.
Ok, don't be careful with the camera.
So this is the church of the Anime Sante del Purgatorio. I cannot translate, to be honest. Anime Sante del Purgatorio, so the saint of the Purgatory. And this is the Mother Church with the beautiful staircase. I don't know if you can see beside the church the beautiful staircase.
Be careful.
Yeah.
I got my umbrella.
A big umbrella.
So, that's the staircase. It's difficult to see because it's carved into the rock. Look at that. And the staircase connects the square with the Mother Church with the castle.
Yeah.
Can you see the staircase, guys? Rosella, indicala. Guys, can you see Rosella? Andiamo un attimo in chiesa, al volo.
E non abbiamo la mascherina, no.
Che cazzo è? Solo un attimo.
Bella per dire.
Tieni un attimo sto ombrello.
Santa Maria, Madre di Dio, prega per noi peccatori, adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen. Santa Maria, Madre di Dio, prega per noi peccatori, adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen. Santa Maria, Madre di Dio, prega per noi peccatori, adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen. Santa Maria, Madre di Dio, prega per noi peccatori, adesso e nell'ora della nostra morte. Amen.
Rosella, they were celebrating the Mass.
I know. It's not raining anymore.
No.
Okay, we can close our big umbrella. It is bigger than me.
Yeah, bigger than you, larger than you.
And now the last stop will
Is-
be the castle.
We have a lista spadafora.
Wow! There are a lot of people.
Entra.
Okay,
Tieni.
thank you. We know that there are a lot of people from Caccamo in our beautiful family of Sicily lovers, and in particular we know that Alisa Spatafora, one of our dearest
Ciao Elisa.
follower and friends, she was our last client before the lockdown, and we spent a lot of days here in Caccamo
In February.
in February, and the weather was so good, incredible, because normally in February is one of the worst months to visit Sicily.
The coldest
The
month.
coldest and the rainiest. Rainiest is the correct the most rainy or rainiest, I don't know, sorry.
The most rainy.
The most rainy
I suppose.
month of the
Not
year.
sure.
Just now it's raining, and now we are going to visit from outside, of course, the castle. But as I promise you, as soon as possible, we will visit the castle inside, because there are a lot of things to see. As you can see, drive here in Caccamo is not so easy, but Gianca is a good driver, and so You can drive here in Caccamo also. I'm not comfortable in driving in Caccamo. I prefer Gianca drive here, even if I were.
Oh, look at that! It's very crowded.
My time here in Caccamo is crowded now because it's the time of the mass.
Yeah.
As you can see, a lot of people are going to attend the mass at the Mother Church because, as I told you. As we told you, today is the Immaculate Conception here in Italy, in Sicily, and so it's a first day.
It's a feast.
Feast.
Yeah. Following the tradition, following the Catholic dogma, Virgin Mary has been free of the original sin from the moment of her conception. This is the meaning of the Immaculate Conception. Okay, guys, now we are ready to show you the castle.
The beautiful castle.
I parked there.
Yes.
So.
Also there, Gianca.
Yeah.
The biggest that we have in Sicily. And this is the unconquered castle, never conquered by the other domination. So this is the umbrella.
I come to you with the umbrella.
Thank you, Gianca. Gianca is always a gentleman during the live broadcast, but don't trust him. Normally, he is not like so gentleman.
Just for the camera, not for Rosella. I'm preserving camera from...
He's a fake gentleman. Let me switch. I would like to share. Yes, maybe it's better if you can film. The beautiful castle with the Christmas lights. And during the night you cannot see the beautiful Rosamarina Lake because from the castle you can enjoy a beautiful landscape overlooking the Rosamarina Lake and the Mediterranean Sea.
Where are you, Rosella?
Here I am. Oh, look at the... come si chiamano I fulmini? Non mi viene.
Bolts.
Over there. So, over there, now you cannot see, but there is the Rosamarina Lake and over there the Mediterranean Sea. And this is one of the most authentic places. We can say that this is an undiscovered gem, and I hope that during your next trip to Sicily you can visit Caccamo and the beautiful castle, because here you can enjoy terrific food. You used to spend the morning, for example, enjoying a cooking class with Maria and in her beautiful country house, and also we used to visit a bachelor to make the sausage. Butcher, sorry. No, bachelor is the butcher, sorry.
But in somehow is graduated in meat.
In meat and sausage, of course.
He's graduated in meat. Tieni l'ombrello.
Come with me, oh, over there again.
Yeah, there is a storm. There is a bolts and thunders.
Yeah.
Let's go, Rosella.
I would like just to thank here, Gianca.
But let's go in the car because it's raining.
Stay with me. Here, you can switch, Gianca, and stay here. Don't be afraid of the rain. I can take for you. Okay. Can you see the castle, guys?
Can you see us raining under the rain?
So guys, we are really happy because we have 2 beautiful days with beautiful Sicily lovers. We enjoyed very much our cooking class with Giuseppe and Valeria.
We are still touched, still excited.
Yes, and we are very proud of you because we had 2 very difficult recipes, bucellati and bruciolone.
But people made us so proud.
Yeah.
You guys made an excellent job. You sent us beautiful photos with your dishes, the results of your efforts, and so thank you guys for sharing this beautiful picture with us. We are so happy to have you in our beautiful community. We are even more than how to say proud. So
yes.
you know we are like a family. You can challenge the best Sicilian chef now, and so thank you for what you have done.
We can
Thank
launch
you
a
so
contest.
much. Yeah. We should launch a contest. Sicilian chef versus American Sicily lovers. And I'm pretty sure, I have no doubt that you win, guys. You win. Because you do it with passion. That's the thing that make everything possible. So you know, guys, we have a dream. We want to go ahead. We want to have the chance to meet you as soon as possible, and you give us the fuel, the energy to go ahead, to not to give up. And so thank you for being here in our family.
Thank you for your love, for your support. We love you.
Guys, it's incredible. You, again, as always, we had a special weekend, Saturday and Sunday. More than 6 hours on Saturday, more than 6 hours on Sunday, but it was a pleasant walk, not difficult. We are not tired. We are still excited.
Full of energy.
Time flown away because when you do something beautiful, when you do it with your heart, everything is so quick, so fast. So thank you again from the beautiful village of Caccamo, Castle.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for your love.
We are going to publish the album in the next hours.
Yeah. So you can see the result of the Sicily lovers.
Yeah.
And Sicily lovers who attended the classroom can be proud of their beautiful job.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. I'm sorry I can't read the comments. I only see Alisa Spatafora, but I have no glasses. Let me check the comments.
Okay. Gianca, don't stay here on your knee.
Let me see. Oh, the castle behind me. Yeah. Mary Lombardo, Cristi Oh, Cristi, ciao. Switch, please. Show me the other comments. Alisa Spatafora, we are coming soon.
Marty Jacobs also.
Hello, Marty.
Alisa, of course, we wait for you here in June.
David Aliotti, Carla, guys. It's been amazing.
Macy, you are in our heart. Michelle. Mary, Rosanna Spiga, the guide of the castle also is looking.
Rosanna,
is watching us.
We are in front of your house. For those who don't know, Rosanna is the tourist guide, the local tourist guide here in Caccamo.
Yeah.
She's the person who usually shows the castle of Caccamo to Americans, to Canadians, to our clients during our private tours of Sicily. Ciao Rosanna, we love you, ti vogliamo bene. Auguri di buona Immacolata.
Auguri a tutti.
So again, look at the beautiful skyline, can I say? Castelline? Castelline. This is the beautiful edge of the Caccamo Castle, and I hope it's a bring fortune.
Yes.
It has never been conquered in 1,000 years of story, so perhaps it's a good sign.
Yes.
We hope the virus go away soon and
Yes.
and give us the opportunity, the possibility to meet you again very, very soon.
Stay strong, stay positive, stay safe. We wait for you.
Rosella is not crazy. Rosella is still excited
Yeah, full of energy.
for this beautiful weekend we had with you guys. Thank you again for giving us the opportunity to belong to the most beautiful community ever, the Sicily Lovers Community. Ciao guys!
We love you. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao!
Ciao.
Ciao!